Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a custom border in Affinity Publisher with pictures. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make custom border. Enable the master pages and double click on the master page. Then select the text frame option and draw the frame over the page. Then select the text frame option and select the frame stroke and increase the stroke. Then close the window. Then select the move tool and select the place tool and select picture from our file. Now I choose this picture and click open. Then place on this background. Then resize the picture. Then down to this and disable the master pages. Double click on the main page. Now we can see we make custom border with pictures very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.